the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia makes a bold return, blending the charm of a classic coupe with the innovation of modern automotive engineering. Once a symbol of European elegance and style, the Karmann Ghia has been resurrected as a sleek, electric-powered two-door car that speaks to both nostalgia and the future. This reborn icon maintains its signature low-slung silhouette and fluid curves, but now incorporates cutting-edge design elements, aerodynamic detailing, and a fully electric powertrain. Volkswagen has paid special attention to preserving the car's retro aesthetic. The 2025 model proudly features a reimagined front fascia with oval LED headlamps reminiscent of the original soft rounded lights. The body lines are smooth and uninterrupted, offering a minimalist yet powerful presence on the road. Chrome accents run tastefully across the window trims and front grille area, adding a refined vintage touch. Unlike its predecessor, which was built on a Beetle chassis, the new Karmann Ghia is built on Volkswagen's MEB platform, the same architecture used for their other electric vehicles, ensuring exceptional balance and performance. Under the hood or rather, beneath the floor lies a state-of-the-art 77 kWh battery pack, giving the car an estimated range of around 300 miles on a single charge. The rear-wheel drive configuration offers up to 250 horsepower, making it agile and responsive, while maintaining the smoothness and grace associated with the original. For enthusiasts seeking more performance, a dual-motor all-wheel drive version is also rumored to be in development, potentially pushing the output to over 320 horsepower. Inside, the cabin is a true blend of retro inspiration and futuristic execution. The dashboard carries cues from the classic model, such as a symmetrical layout and metallic trim, but now integrates a floating infotainment display with haptic controls. Ambient lighting, vegan leather upholstery, and digital instrumentation create an upscale environment without compromising the car's heritage. Every element is crafted to celebrate the legacy of the Karmann Ghia while offering a first-class electric vehicle experience. One of the highlights of the 2025 model is its focus on sustainability. Volkswagen has ensured that the manufacturing process uses recycled materials wherever possible, and the car's interior features eco-friendly fabrics and surfaces. The new Karmann Ghia is more than just a revival, it's a statement about how the past and the future can coexist in harmony. Driving the 2025 Karmann Ghia is as much an emotional experience as it is a technical one. It feels like a tribute to a golden era, but with the comfort, safety, and environmental consciousness of today. Volkswagen has not just reintroduced a model. They have reignited a legend with modern relevance. Whether you remember the original Karmann Ghia from decades past or are discovering it for the first time, the 2025 version is poised to become a beloved symbol for a new generation.